This is D from Gamextc, and today we're going to go through how to fix the PS5 controller stick drift. If you've tried adjusting the input threshold, resetted your controller, cleaned the analog stick, made sure the software was up to date, then this is the video for you. Now before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at Gamextc. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software. The first thing you want to do is use your pry tool to take off the decorative trim. Then use your pry tool to take off the trigger buttons L1 and R1. You'll then be faced with 4 screws, which you can undo with a Torx screwdriver. Unclip the 2 clips at the front of the controller and then pry it open to gain access. Unclip the battery, unscrew the battery holder, but be careful, there's a ribbon cable connected to the controller which is also secured to the battery holder. Not in any particular order, but let's remove the PCB board connector, the left-right L1, R1, L2, R2 motor connector ribbons, and also the microphone flex cable. Now on this part, you could just unscrew the trigger motors to take out the PCB board, but I'm fairly confident with soldering. I've decided to unsolder the 4 wires that are holding it down. Now that we got that out, let's remove the thumbstick from the defective analog module and desolder the analog module. So let's zoom in and see exactly what we need to do. As you can see, there are quite a few points that we need to desolder, but let's just crack on and get the job done. Once you desoldered all the points, then your analog module should be able to just fall out. You can then replace it with a new analog module. It's as simple as that. Now it's time to put everything back together and enjoy.